You don't need to do affiliate marketing, and you don't need a website. You don't need a large following on social media, and you also do not need any skills or prior experience to use this method today. I'll be teaching you a method that will make you feel completely at peace when you begin making money online, thanks to a website that I recently discovered. But first, hello and welcome to our channel EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Be sure to subscribe, guys, to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, click the subscribe button, and also activate the notification bell so that you can be notified when we put out new videos, which is every single day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let's get right into it. So the website that I'll be talking about today, something that you might have heard of before, and in case you haven't heard of it, the website is called cjinc.info. This is a money-making website. We know you have the skills to do creative projects, work online, and earn money online. If you have a few hours a day to spend in front of your computer completing tiny, time-consuming, and uncomfortable tasks, you've come to the right place. They attract and hire adaptable individuals that thrive on change and challenge, and imaginative and self-assured, and crave instant responsibility. They will pay you for your time. If you are available, please join. This is what they say. So they are also free, and I know a lot of you appreciate the fact that this method is available worldwide. So you can do this from anywhere in the world. If you go down a little bit, you'll see these three people right here. There's this lovely lady here from the Philippines, this other lady from the United States, and there's this guy from Australia over here. They are all from different parts of the world, which explains and confirms that this is available all over the world. These are some of the advantages of working online using this website. So you get to work from anywhere at any time, and if you want to be able to work from anywhere in the globe, you should definitely consider trying this method out. So if you want the freedom to work for yourself, here is the actual method to do so, because if you follow this method in the video, you'll be earning money while you are working at home. So this website is one of the methods where you have absolutely no money, you have nothing, you have no experience, and you can just start generating money over the internet by doing simple tasks. So the website again is cjinc.info. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let me explain how this actually works. So this website is unique in that you will not earn money by taking surveys, watching movies, or clicking ads. In this website, you can actually find demanded online jobs that pay a reasonable salary. So we have market research, we have typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, online education. But in this video, we will concentrate on one job in particular, which is proofreading. For those of you who don't know what that is, well, proofreading is the process of identifying and correcting mistakes in a text. So it's a job that requires you to be good at English. However, in this video, I'll show you a program that will correct any mistakes and typos in any text for free. And I will write an article with multiple flaws on purpose to demonstrate that this actual method works. So make sure you stick with me until the end of this video. And as a result, at the end of the video, you will not have missed any important details and make this method work for you. So if you have any abilities in other areas such as marketing, research, typing, jobs, translation, advertising, online teaching, you can focus on those as well. So just for the sake of the example, because we can't cover all of them in one video, in this video we will be talking about proofreading, and you can choose whatever other discipline that you want. So if you like this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, because that helps us a lot. Now let's get that out of the way, let's carry on. Anyway, all you have to do to begin working as a proofreader on this website is sign up first. So hover your mouse over here in the upper right hand corner of your screen, and you'll clearly want to choose a proofreading job because that's what you're looking for. They will explain what proofreading is on the following page. If you still don't know what that means, you can just read through it quickly. They will also describe the nature of the job and, more significantly for us, the fees. So as a proofreader, you can earn $5 to $10 per page or per 1,000 words, with rates varying depending on the nature of the words and accuracy level. And more importantly, because I'll be releasing a tool that will assist you in correcting an article's flaws and mistakes, you can easily make a lot of money as a proofreader, even if your knowledge of English is actually limited. So to apply for employment as a proofreader, simply scroll down a little and click on the icon that reads apply for jobs. And then you will be taken to this website where you can actually see how to apply. So to do so, you must first download the application form by clicking on this link right here. And if you click on that, you will be redirected to this page where you will need to fill fill in some basic information about yourself. You will need to select a job that you are applying for, which is proofreading of course, and the rest is just to fill out all the stuff here below. You can see that they accept PayPal as a payment method, which is actually fantastic because that's one of the easiest payment methods that you can actually use. And then all you have to do is agree to the terms and conditions. Also, don't forget to provide your full name as your signature, and that's all there is to it. When you're finished filling out this form, you have to click submit. If you go back to the previous page, you'll notice that they will send you a script with a lot of mistakes. So proofreading assignments will be delivered to you digitally pre-typed as a picture or in real handwritten form. So to help you understand how to complete the work, this is a script that I've made with some of the mistakes, and this is where the tool I mentioned earlier comes in. So Grammarly is the name of this tool. You can visit their website at grammarly.com, and this is something I've been using for a long time. And I can assure you guys that this is really legit. This is also one of the better tools available for correcting textual mistakes and problems, and what we'll need to do is add Grammarly as Chrome plugin. So that means that you will be using Google Chrome as your browser. So click on here and you will be taken to this page where you can add Grammarly as an extension. And after that, you can sign up using Gmail, your Facebook account, or your Apple ID. If you don't want to do that, you can just come here, fill out the necessary information to finish the procedure, and after filling out the form, simply click agree and sign up. They will then ask you a bunch of questions, such as why do you need Grammarly, and after answering all of those basic questions, you will land on this page where you can actually see that Grammarly does have a premium package, but it's not necessary because the free one provides you with everything that you need for a proofreading job. It will help you in spelling, grammar, and punctuation, and as you can see, this is what we need to accomplish the proofreading jobs that we're going to be getting. So you don't have to be Grammarly premium. That money can be used for something else, for example. So now we'll try to demonstrate Grammarly's functionalities. Let me just copy an article and fix some of the mistakes. And now let's see how Grammarly corrects them. What I did was copy an article on losing weight from medicalnewstoday.com and put it into Google Docs, and then add a piece of text so that it has a lot of mistakes. So look at this. Not only does it detect every single mistake, including little ones like punctuation marks, but it also shows the overall score of your actual text, as well as the correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. It does not only correct your grammatical mistakes, it also does other things. And you can do all of this for nothing and for free. The best part by far about this is that you don't have to painstakingly rectify every single mistake, so you don't have to correct them yourself, and most of the cases you don't even have to read the script that they send you to do the proofreading job. So when you click on it, the text mistakes in your article will be corrected automatically, and it's quite simple. All you have to do is copy the article that they will provide you for the proofreading job, you paste it into Google Docs, and if you use Grammarly to correct all of the text mistakes and give it back to them, you will be easily accepted as a proofreader on their website. So if you use this method and follow the tutorial that I showed you guys in this video, you'll be able to start earning hundreds or thousands of dollars depending on how much you spend working on this proofreading job. Again, no experience is required from you guys. You can be a total beginner and this method will definitely work for you. If you have some problems with this method and find yourself lost, you can always go back to this video, watch it again, and then try to pinpoint where you have the problem and you can correct it. Just see how I did it, and then you can do the same thing. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to EarnPal, hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we post new content on this channel. Don't forget to also hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.